The valve is your pressure washer's thermal relief valve. When the pump is allowed to idle, the water inside the pump is continuously recirculated. This causes the water to rapidly heat up until it becomes hot enough to melt the pump's plastic components, such as the valves and spacers. The thermal relief valve will open once the water becomes dangerously hot, allowing cool water to enter the pump. You should always turn your pressure washer off if it is going to idle for more than a minute or two. Although the thermal relief valve can prevent pump damage, damage will still occur if the pump is allowed to idle for longer periods of time, with the valve opening and closing over and over. Replacing the valve is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by separating the pump from the engine. With the screws removed, now I can remove the pump. Now I'll remove the button cap that secures the water deflector. With the deflector removed, I have access to the screws. I'll remove those next. Now I can remove the valve body and the spring. Now I can begin installing the new thermal relief valve. First, I'll need to remove the button cap from the valve body so I can remove the water deflector. Now I can install the spring on top of the unloader valve, insert the valve into the valve body, and place this assembly onto the pump. I'll secure the valve body with the screws. I'll place the deflector on top of the valve body and secure it with the button cap. And I'll finish up by reinstalling the pump. I'll place the key in the motor keyway and then align the pump's keyway with the one on the motor shaft. I'll slide the pump onto the shaft and secure it with the screws. And that's how easy it is to replace the valve on your pressure washer. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.